Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna have a look on the Qutus Big Bore Dampers from RACING. These are adjustable, so just by turning the damper rod you can decide how much oil is going to flow through the damper piston. This is how a finished damper looks like, and I must say it looks pretty good. The kit also comes with 3 different springs, different pistons for adjustable and firm, and of course different seals and the stuff you need to finish up. And it also comes with a bottle of oil. I'm gonna try the 4-stage piston. As you can see, I put the piston the wrong way, so I had to fix it. For me, this damper feels very good. The adjustment is also notable, so yeah, I'm pleased with the result of this. All 4 done. This will now go onto my HPI Sprint chassis, where I will give it a test run to see how they work. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell to get a notification when the running video is published.